Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up authentication in Dropbox in 2025, also known as two-step verification. To keep your account more secure, first, log into your Dropbox account on your computer, Top right corner, click your profile picture, then choose Settings. Now, go to the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the option for two-step verification. By default, it will be off. Click Turn On. Dropbox will ask you to re-enter your password for security. After that, you'll be given two options for authentication. Text messages. SMS Dropbox will send a code to your phone number. Authenticator app, you can use apps like Google Authenticator, Auth, or Microsoft Authenticator for even stronger protection. Choose the method you prefer. If you select SMS, type in your phone number and verify it with the code Dropbox sends you. If you select an Authenticator app, scan the QR code Dropbox provides and enter the code from your app. Once verified, Dropbox will also give you a set of backup codes. Save these somewhere safe. You'll need them if you lose access to your phone. After completing the setup, two-step authentication will be enabled. From now on, every time you sign in, you'll need both your password and the code from your phone, and that's it. That's how you set up authentication in Dropbox in 2025 to make your account more secure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and guides just like this one.